Well, that was fun. It's nice and sunny out here. It started off pretty cloudy and poopy and whatever you want to call it, but then the sun came out. I mean, look at that. So nice out there now. But anyway, I want to welcome you all back to another vlog. If you haven't seen me before, my name's Braden, hence the name, Braden's Vlogs. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit down here. Yeah, I'm just here. It's around 4:15-ish. And waiting for the oven to preheat so I can put in some mac and cheese. Let's go over there and see what it is. So specifically, oh wow, that just flew. Specifically, it is Udi's mac and cheese. Never had it before, but it shouldn't be too bad. I'm just waiting for the oven to preheat to 350, I believe. Right now it is at 285. So yeah, that's what's going on here. It's the afternoon, obviously, and we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day. So, hey buddy, what you doing in here, huh? Yeah, you enjoying the sun? Missed it, didn't you?
The next day.
Woo! Buddy, come. Buddy. Buddy. What are you doing? Huh? We're just here at the condo. About to take down that TV right there.
Later.
All right, what's going on, people? So, I'm now upstairs, had lunch a little bit ago. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up right here. Got the rack, got the TV, gonna put it right there.
Twenty minutes later. Two hours later.
Woo! This is nice. You have to come out here more. Just out here on the e-bike, you know. I followed Tori on her run. And now we're just out here exploring this trail. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. All right. I went a little ways down. I'm not gonna go all the way down because, well, I want to catch back up to Tori. Maybe we'll come back tomorrow. We'll see what happens.
The next morning.
ya. We are out here at the lake. Buddy. Okay.
Empty space.
Tell me I done it good.
You did good.
Five minutes later.
Yoo-hoo. There we go. Look at that. Looks good. What do you think, buddy? Damn.
The following day. Two hours later.
Oh my God. That's what you put a beanbag in a car? Damn. Logan? What do you think of the beanbag in the car?
Oh, no.
Hey, kitty. What are you doing? What are you doing, kitty? Hello. What are you doing? Where you come from? Hmm? Hey.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a wrap. So, pretty busy day. Got the stairs done, except for the backboards. The stairs are basically done. And I'd say it looks pretty nice. But anyway, on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the vlog here. If you did enjoy, please do consider leaving a like and possibly subscribing as well. And I will see you in the next vlog. All right, adios.